Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll work on Ford Edge, guys, but if you have Lincoln MKX, the procedure will apply as well, guys, for generation Y, because both of the vehicles share the same platform and many of the components are actually the same. We'll show you guys how to remove and replace the mirror switch, the switch that controls the left and the right mirror, guys, on the driver's side. That's what we'll be doing. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully, guys, you will find the information helpful. Now, this is, guys, a 2009 Ford Edge that we will demonstrate now. So let me show you, okay, where the mirror switch is located. This is, guys, your mirror switch, and we'll show you what needs to be done to remove and replace it. If you have, guys, Lincoln MKX, you just notice that actually, guys, okay, actually it's the same switch, guys, same design. So let's go ahead and start on it now. You need to get, guys, a plastic removal tool. We have the links in the description of the video below. With that tool you don't damage so much like using a screwdriver. Okay, go ahead, pull it out, guys. You will have a few clips holding here and there. Eventually will come out. We have one clip still holding, okay, right there somehow. It is stuck. Okay, perfect. Came out, guys. Okay, you can see this clip came out. Now we can pull it up, okay, just like that. And we need to disconnect now all the wiring harnesses now. Here we have two metal clips. We heard one of them dropping, so we will go ahead and reinstall it. Okay, so later it can get stuck. Let's go ahead, disconnect all the wiring harness so we can get the whole assembly out. Okay, right here you push in, disconnect, push in, disconnect. Almost coming out. And we have this one here as well, guys. Okay, you can see just like that the whole assembly is out now. So this is, guys, the mirror switch now. Some people will attempt to remove it from here, guys, okay, prying it this way, but you can damage your trim. And you can see it doesn't take much effort to remove the whole assembly because you have two clips, guys, one here, one over there. And these two metal clips, you need to push them in, okay, and push the switch out, guys, okay, once you push them in. So we'll get a bigger screwdriver. Let me see, it does get stuck, guys. Okay, it does get stuck a little bit. That's why I told you it's better to remove the whole assembly, okay, than just trying to actually, guys, remove the switch itself only, because you don't want, okay, to break it, guys. Okay, you can see how tight it was. It comes in an angle, okay, like that. And this is, guys, the mirror switch. If you need to purchase a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out, guys. But hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.